Why do some people seem unstoppable, focused, calm, productive, while others wake up late and rush through chaos? The difference isn't luck. It's routine. Morning routines shape your mindset, energy, and direction for the entire day. In this video, you'll learn exactly what successful people do every morning and how to build your own routine that sets you up for success. Let's get started. So, why morning routines matter? The first hour of your day sets the tone for everything after. Right after waking up, your brain is in the alpha state, highly programmable. If you start your morning with stress, notifications, or news, you lock your body into reactive mode all day. But when you start calm and intentional, you activate creative mode, clarity, focus, and control. Successful people don't stumble into good mornings, they design them. Common habits of high performers. Across CEOs, athletes, and creatives, researchers find 5 shared habits. First, early wake up, 5 to 6 a.m., quiet hours before distractions begin. Second, movement, any form of physical activation. Third, mindfulness, journaling, meditation, or prayer. Fourth, planning, reviewing goals, writing top priorities. Fifth, nourishment, water, light breakfast, sunlight. These habits form the foundation for peak mental and physical performance. Now let's deep dive step by step for the ultimate morning flow. Step 1. Wake up on purpose. No need for 4 a.m. extremes. Focus on consistency. Same sleep and wake time daily. Move your phone away from your bed so you must stand to turn off the alarm. Those first 5 seconds break inertia. Step 2. Reconnect with your body. Before checking your phone, hydrate. 1 full glass of water kickstarts metabolism. Then, move. 5 push-ups, 10 squats, or a short walk. This tiny ritual signals your brain, I'm awake and ready. Even 2 minutes of movement releases dopamine and focus-boosting chemicals. Step 3. Feed your mind before your phone. Don't let social media decide your mood. Use the first 30 minutes to fuel your mind. Read 5 pages of a good book. Write down 3 things you're grateful for. Listen to a positive podcast. This trains your brain for focus instead of distraction. Step 4. Reset your mindset. Take 5 minutes for quiet or meditation. Breathe, visualize your day, and picture yourself calm, confident, productive. Top performers mentally rehearse their success before it happens. It's not magic, it's preparation. Step 5. Plan your day. The rule of 3. Write down your top 3 priorities. Ask, if I only accomplish one thing today, what matters most? Do that first. High achievers don't start by reacting. They start by creating. Step 6. Fuel your body. Eat light but nourishing. Eggs, oats, fruit, or hydrate, and get sunlight if fasting. Morning sunlight boosts serotonin and sets your body clock. 10 minutes by a window can elevate mood for hours. Step 7. Protect the first hour. No emails, no news, no scrolling. Treat your first hour as sacred space for growth. You'll be surprised how calm and focused the rest of your day feels. Tim Cook, Apple CEO, wakes 4:30 a.m., reads customer feedback, then works out. Oprah Winfrey, meditation, gratitude journal, workout, breakfast, her non-negotiable hour. Tony Robbins, breathwork, visualization, gratitude priming for energy and focus. Richard Branson, early exercise and fresh air to start the day energized. Barack Obama, daily 45-minute workout and reading before family time. Different routines, same principle. Own your morning, own your life. Now, let's build your personal routine. 1. Define your purpose. Ask, why do I want a routine? Focus, health, calm. Your reason guides your design. 2. Start small. 15-minute rule. Begin with a short version. Water, stretch, plan. Once consistent, expand gradually. 3. Choose 3 core habits. 1 for body, movement, 1 for mind, reading or planning, 1 for spirit, gratitude or reflection. 4. Design your environment. Lay out gym clothes at night. Keep your journal on the table. Place water beside the bed. Make good habits visible, bad ones invisible. 5. Reflect weekly. Each weekend ask, what helped me feel great this week? Keep that. Simplify what doesn't work. So, why it works. Morning routines build discipline through automation. Each small act, making your bed, writing your plan, creates self-trust. Self-trust builds confidence. Confidence creates momentum. Neuroscientists call this the success loop. Consistency, dopamine, motivation, repetition. You stop chasing discipline because it becomes who you are. Here are some mistakes to avoid. 1. Copying others blindly. Customize it. 2. Doing too much, start tiny. 3. Checklist mentality, treat it as a ritual, not a to-do list. 4. Expecting instant change, progress compounds. 5. Quitting after one miss, skip once, never twice. The goal isn't perfection, it's momentum. Now let's make together a sample 60-minute routine. You can see the sample on the screen right now. If short on time, keep the essentials. Move, reflect, plan. Key takeaways are here. Control your morning. Control your day. Focus on consistency, not complexity. Protect your first hour. It's sacred. A great day starts before breakfast. Remember, it's not about waking up early, it's about waking up with purpose. You don't need to change everything overnight. Just start with your morning. If this video inspired you, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who wants to upgrade their mornings. Because success doesn't start at work. It starts the moment you open your eyes. See you in the next one.